Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty Group.
You guys now in another episode of Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest with us.
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family and guide them to a destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Hello, everyone. Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty, coming to you today with another 3Rivers market report for April 2nd, 2025. We are in the second set of storms here for spring. We got a bunch of hail this morning up here in Huntertown. Hope everyone's staying safe and hope no one has any property damage. But it is storm season, so we know it's coming. Hopefully you got insurance that covers any damage if you get any, and hopefully nobody gets hurt. But we see a lot of positivity in the market. Everything but prices are up. We're seeing activity up, new listings up, solds were flat, pendings up a little bit, but the median dollar amount was just barely up, just 1.4%. And we think we're finally seeing a slowing in price appreciation. That's about 5 out of the last 6 weeks where we've seen either negative or low appreciation. Still showing about 6.4% appreciation year over year, but we're seeing recently here in the recent numbers versus last year, we're seeing a slowing up in price appreciation. So we may see a flattening in prices, maybe even going down. We'll see. Only future will tell. We report, you decide. Sorry, I lost my voice a little bit. Been suffering just getting over some bronchitis. You can hear the thunder in the background. Can't get that out. Even my editor can't get that out. So you're going to hear a little bit of that from these storms. We saw active available listings up 2% week over week, up 43% year over year. New listings we saw up 9% week over week, up 30% year over year. Solds were flat both week over week and year over year. Pendings were up 1% week over week, up 6% year over year. Median sale price went over 251,500 over the last 7 days, which is showing up about 1.4% from last year when it was 248, and median sale price over the last 12 months is 250,000 versus last year this time was 235,000. Days on the market did speed up a little bit, sped up to 34 average, 9 median, which is about right with last year, which was 35 average and 6 median. Seeing homes sold coming at 4,417 in the last 12 months, showing up about 3.3% over last year, and we're showing that we're right about the base amount of homes that are going to be sold. There's always a base amount, no matter what the economy is doing, no matter what the market's doing, that are going to sell each year in a given market. And I believe 2023 was our low year here for Fort Wayne, and we sold in 2023, we sold 4,274 homes. And then last year we sold about 4,449. So this year we're actually pacing about with last year, but over the last 12, we're still showing up 3.3. So that is your market report in a nutshell. Feel free to reach out to us if you need anything. Everyone survived these storms. My dog's flipping out right now. Hopefully your dogs or animals are okay, and everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.